What's going on, everybody? I'm actually just sitting here at the job and everything, and I'm actually learning some Spanish and everything. So I wanted, if somebody could actually reach out and actually kind of comment in the video and kind of let me know if I'm saying this right. What do I got? Hola, bienvenido a Boost Mobile. Buenos tardes, mi amo Sean. Como te llamas? And then I got que te trae hoy. Then I hit it with what is it? Pago Telefono. Also, there's Problema con el Telefono. Let me know if I'm saying that right. Comment on the video. Let me know.